A warm welcome to the latest newsletter from Trade the Easy Way.
Hello traders, Mike Hamilton for Trade the Easy Way, and I'm just looking at this lovely chart of the pound yen. I still think there is an opportunity as we get into non-farm payroll. We have reached the top of the channel here. It's quite an expansive channel, so if we get a little test of 143 here, I think we can, even tomorrow, potentially get a nice final push into this level here. So just keep buying pullbacks in this lovely trending chart, and let's just see. Let me draw a proper trend line on this proper channel. So we're just poking into the top of the channel, and there is the funnel. So I think we can break out of this funnel. So if we obviously, yeah, it's a weak signal on an area of resistance up here at 145. We tested 14520 at the high. But if we just sort of tip back and find some support, 142, 143 area, then I think we can maybe make an attempt at least to retest 145, if not go further. Okay, so the fact that we closed above this area here yesterday, so we closed above this fib area here yesterday, so this is a big buy signal. It's just a question of waiting patiently for a pullback now for the next wave up. So don't despair if you've not taken much or not taken anything out of that. Let's just wait and see what we get. The DAX, I made a fundamental error here today, technical error. We got this trend line creeping above the highs here and some support down here at the lows, but I made the mistake of trying to buy the lows, didn't mark my charts up properly, and here we are with a nice selling day, nice bearish day. Any higher close in the 60 minutes were, in 60-minute charts, were engulfed in the previous hours on a couple of occasions today. So this could potentially come and test this support at 10,200 at this rate. So back into this area here. If I just take that one away and that away, and then throw the fibs on this right back to this bar here, then you can see the 10,440 is a potential support area. If this is bullish, and we are going to push higher into the end of the year, then 10,440 is an area to watch. Obviously, big numbers like 10,500 are crucial. They might just have we had low. Yeah, we actually tested 500 at the lows here, and we're just slightly above it as we are talking. So let's just see what that does. But in the meantime, this is not happy up here, and on pure technicals, this is likely to get lower unless we close immediately above that 10,540. But at the moment, that 550, 540, 560 is the resistance area for this to drop tomorrow. And you can see from the weekly that this is not happy. We just need to see what happens as we come back down into this area. Okay, so that's the DAX. Let's look at the Euro. Euro has just been range bound a lot of the week. Weekly chart's pretty flat, so the highs are selling. There's a bear flag, but we keep holding. So if we get a push up into 107, or certainly, yeah, close above 107, we could see some recovery and retracements back to 109 to retest this election bar here on the 9th. You know, we've had a massive drop from high of 113 to 105. So at the moment the dips are just getting bought, but it's the range this week is really small, from a high of just close to just under 107 to a low of 105.50. Yeah, it's a pretty tight range. So this I got messed around with this and the DAX today. So I had a good week, but started engaging some range-bound markets with the DAX and the Euro, which was not the right thing to do. Okay, so the best trending chart this week has been the pound yen, so I would stick with that. If you are interested in oil, oil is already right up to recent highs. Yeah, this is the third time we've been up here since June this year. So if you are hoping for this one to break out, I would at least be patient for a pullback to 50.40. Otherwise, it looks as if it could just fly up to 56 tomorrow. 55, 56. We're just under 52 now. But it's had a big couple of days. Expect the unexpected. I mean, the last time we had 2 big days down here in August, we kept going for a couple of weeks. So from a low of 39.70, we went to a high of 49.30. So we could easily go into 55.80, or certainly start getting up there tomorrow. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for, and take it easy, let the markets come to you, and I will be opening a room around non-farm payroll. And what will I be looking at? I think I'll look at the euro. It's been range bound. I think I'll probably focus on the euro tomorrow and see if that can break the lows and give us a run to at least 105. Alright, and use the same room link for members. Otherwise, look forward to seeing you at the next update.